this video, I will demonstrate the 3 different ways to schedule your recording and streaming with AREC Media Station. In order to start scheduling, you need to log into System Administrator. So you need to enter your username and password. You log in. Then you go to Scheduler. It's on the left side of this menu. In case you do not see it, it might be that the firmware version of your media station is not up to date. So please update it. Now, in the scheduler, you have several options. First of all, you can turn it on and off, and this is done simply by pressing the button. Then you have the different methods of scheduling. So, for example, the first one is scheduling via OpenCast. To schedule via OpenCast, all you need to do is just fill out the tags, such as username, password, and the link to your OpenCast server. For the manual calendar import, what you need to do is you need to import into the media station ICS file. So it's .ics file. It's a common format for calendars such as Outlook, Google Calendar, and so on. I'm going to show you an example of how to do it with a Google Calendar. So if you set up a calendar, then you go to Settings. In here on the very top of this menu, you see Export Calendar. It's a big button. You press on it, and this will download an archive. In this archive, inside of it, there will be a .ics file that you will simply need to press in your media station on the orange button and select it. Then press apply, and the media station will have this calendar in it, and it will start recording and streaming according to this calendar. So any events that were already in this calendar will be calculated. Now, for periodic calendar import, what you need to do is you need to paste the link to your calendar. Again, depending on the type of software you're using, depending on the type of calendar, it's going to be in a different place. I'm just going to show based on Google Calendar. So in Google Calendar, what you need to do first is you need to make it available to public. So you take this box in Access Permissions. After that, you scroll down, and here in Integrate Calendar, you have public address in iCal format. So this link you need to copy, and you need to paste it into your media station, press apply. So now that it is applied, every 5 minutes the media station will refresh whether there are new recordings and scheduling a new recording and streaming planned. You can see that by pressing on the orange button to see the upcoming events. So that is it. If you have any other questions, please let us know at www.a-dan.com. Thank you.